I dey collect 10,000 naira. Always.
Wow, 10,000 naira. And if I don't have 10,000 naira, I should not come.
I go come, I comot small money for you.
So today we want to go to the street. I'm on the street and we want to go to the salon. I'm actually going to various salons to see what they are doing. Feel free, let's walk around to see what various salons have for us today.
The questions were coming and these are what they have to say concerning the hair they are making and the prices of the hair.
I'm doing frontal installation. I'm styling 5x5. A day is okay.
Also, today's shout out goes to the shop owners, the amazing people who were making their hair. You guys are amazing. Feel free to also check out each and every one of them you might know.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay. Do you mind telling us how long it took you to make this kind of hair and how much?
Like, let's say like something like 50 minutes and the 1K.
Okay, in a day it took you like 15 minutes? Okay. So how much can, if I'm to make this hair, how much can I pay to make this kind of hair? Or how much did you pay?
Okay, how much I paid? Okay, I paid like 1,000. That is 1K.
So this hair took her for 1,000 naira. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
I also decided to move a bit far to get some information concerning what we are doing.
Please, can you tell us what you are doing and the price it takes you?
Stretching hair.
Okay. What type of hair is this?
Bone straight, 10 inches.
Okay, you are straightening the hair. So how much can I pay if I want to straighten my hair?
3,000.
Wow, 3,000. So guys, you have heard this is 3,000. If you want to straighten your hair in this salon, they are paying 3,000. So you can compare and know the prices is in your area. All right, thank you for your effort. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
How are you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Do you mind telling me what type of hair you are making and how long it can take you to finish the hair and the price?
What you are making is called mattress braid, pick and drop. It can take up to 1 hour and it costs 4,000.
It can take you like what?
1 hour.
1 hour. So you have spent like 30 minutes already, or if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So how much can I pay to make this kind of hair?
5,000.
5,000. Wow. So if I don't have 5,000, I cannot make the hair?
No, nah.
What will happen? If I don't have 5,000, I should go.
No, you have to negotiate.
Okay, I will negotiate. Okay. So thank you so much for your time and I do appreciate it.
Thank you, God bless.
All right, thank you. So good evening and how are you doing?
Good evening.
Okay, how are you doing?
Fine.
So I can see you are making a hair. And do you mind telling me the kind of hair you are making and how long it took you to make this kind of hair and also the price?
This is kinky bread. So it will take me like 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Okay, it took you like 1 hour. It will take you like 1 hour and 30 minutes. So you have spent like 30 minutes already?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me the price. If I'm to make this hair, how much should I pay?
I dey collect 10,000 naira. Always.
Wow, 10,000 naira. And if I don't have 10,000 naira, I should not come.
I go come, I comot small money for you.
Okay. So 1,000 should not make it. Or cannot make it.
How much?
1,000?
No, 1,000. Now weaving na 1,000.
All right.
It's not 1,000.
So, Auntie, thank you so much for your time and I do appreciate. Do you mind giving a shout out? Tell us the name of your shop or you are just okay?
Chi Classic Hair Stylist and Dreadlock.
All right. So, guys, you have heard. Thank you so much, ma'am. I can see you are doing a braided wig, do you mind telling me how long or how many days you can make this wig?
A day is okay. A day is okay.
A day is okay. Okay. So how much, if I'm to buy this, how much can I pay to get it?
35K.
35K. So guys, you have seen that this week you can pay 35K and it will take you a day to have it. Thank you so much for your time and I do appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. Hello, please can you tell us what you are doing and the prices and you can take me?
Okay, I'm styling 5x5 and I'm using noodles and water to do the coils. So the price is 8K for styling. Yes. Thank you.
So the coins or the revamping takes you 8K.
Yes.
If I want something like this, I will pay 8K.
Yes, 8K.
Okay. So guys, this is 8K. If you want to revamp your hair and you need something like this, you have to pay 8K. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma. Okay, I'm doing under installation and the price is 25,000.
Wow. So guys, okay, this is 25,000 naira. If I'm to come to install my hair, I'll have to pay 25,000. Alright guys, thank you.
This is all for this video. See you in my next one. Bye.